Now first question. The three sets of table values are given and we need to check whether x and y vary directly. According to definition, if x varies directly as y, then x by y is a constant. Now for option A, x by y is not equal to a same constant k for all the three sets of values of x and y. Hence, A values are not in direct proportion. Similarly, B values are also not in direct proportion. Now for option C, first ratio x by y equals 1 by 4. Next ratio 21 by 84 also equals 1 by 4. 42 by 168 again equals 1 by 4. Means x by y is always a constant 1 by 4. Hence the set of values of option C are in direct proportion. Next, second question. A, B, C can do a piece of work in 12, 18 and 9 days respectively. They started the work and worked for 4 days. Then B alone worked for 2 days. How many days would C alone take to complete the remaining work? Given that A can do a piece of work in 12 days, hence A's 1 day work equals 1 by 12. A worked for 4 days means A's 4 days work equals 4 by 12. That equals 1 by 3. We can do the same piece of work in 18 days. Hence B's 1 day work equals 1 by 18. B alone worked for 2 days. Hence B's 2 day work equals 2 by 18 equals 1 by 9. Now the remaining work to be completed by C equals 1 minus of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 equals 1 minus of 4 by 9 equals 5 by 9. Now C's 1 day work equals 1 by 9. Now the number of days required by C equals 5 by 9 by 1 by 9, that equals 5 days. Next, third one. The cube root of x varies inversely as the square of y. X equals 8 when y equals 3. Then find x when y equals 1 and 1 by 2. Now it's given that cube root of x varies inversely as square of y. Implies cube root of x equals k by y square. X equal y when y equals 3 means cube root of 8 equals k by 3 square. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 equals k by 9, which implies k equals 18. Then equation 1 implies cube root of x equals 18 by y square. Now we need to calculate x when y equals 1 and 1 by 2, which means cube root of x equals 18 by 1 and 1 by 2 whole square. Then find x. Now cube root of x equals 18 by 3 by 2 whole to the power 2, which implies cube root of x equals 2 square times 18 by 3 square. Now after cancellation we got cube root of x equals 4 times 2, that equals 8. Now to find x, take cubes on both sides. That is x equals 8 to the power 3 equals 64. Next, fourth one, 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a system in 35 minutes. After working together for 14 minutes, C is closed and A and B fill the system in 42 minutes. Find the time in which system can be filled by pipe C alone. Three pipes A, B and C can fill in 35 minutes means their work in 1 minute equals 1 by 35. They work together for 14 minutes. Therefore, their work in 14 minutes equals 14 by 35. Now it's given that C is closed and A and B fill the system in 42 minutes, which means the work done A and B in 42 minutes equals 1 minus 14 by 35. That equals 35 minus 14 by 35 equals 3 by 5. Then their work in 1 minute equals 3 by 5 times 1 by 42. That equals 1 by 70. Now C's work in 1 minute equals the work done by A, B and C in 1 minute, 1 by 35, minus the work done by A and B in 1 minute, 1 by 70. That equals 1 by 70, which means C alone can do the work in 70 minutes or 1 hour 10 minutes.